For demonstration, here we have 14 stitches on my needle, 12 stitches, multiple of 6, 2 times 6 plus 6 is equal to 12 plus 2 edge stitches 14, and here I purl 2 base row. You can knit any border you want. So let's begin. This is first row and right side slip edge, and knit these all stitches till the end of row. Knit edge from right side. First row is completed. Now second row wrong side. In this row, pull these all stitches till the end of row, second row, and every wrong side rows we make same. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Third row right side slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Yarn over SSK. SSK means slip 1 knit twice, slip 2 knit twice, and knit together from back loop. Knit 2, 1, 2, knit together from front loop, yarn over. That's our repeat from here to here. Yarn over, SSK, knit 2, knit together, yarn over. This is 6 stitches pattern, 2, 4, 6. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time, yarn over. Now here we have 2 yarn over stitches, SSK, slip, slip, and knit together from back loop. Knit to 1, 2, knit together from front loop, yarn over. Here we complete 2 time repeat pattern. Last edge, knit edge from right side. Third row is complete. Now fourth row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches, slip edge, and pull these all stitches, yarn over, stitch also pull. Here we have 2 yarn over stitches. We pull these 2 yarn over stitches. First we pull this way, and second we pull this way, and pull another stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. Now this is fifth row right side slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip, slip, and knit from back loop, knit together, yarn over, knit 1. That's a repeat from here to here. Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, knit together, yarn over, knit 1. Again we repeat this pattern how much you have. So one more time. Knit 1, yarn over, SSK, slip, slip, and knit from back loop, knit together, yarn over, knit 1. Last edge, knit edge from right side. Fifth row is completed. Now sixth row wrong side. Pull these all stitches. Pull edge from wrong side. 7 row right side slip edge. From here we start our repeat pattern. Knit 2, 1, 2. Now twist 2 from right to left, this way to this way. Take second on your right needle from back loop, first on your left needle from front loop, and knit these 2, 1, 2. Knit 2, 1, 2. That's our repeat from here to here. Knit 2, twist 2 from right to left, and knit 2, knit 2. Again we repeat this pattern. So one more time, knit 2, 1, 2. Twist 2 from right to left. Take 2 on your right needle from back loop and first on your left needle from front loop and knit these two. 1 2 knit 2 1 2 knit edge from right side. 7 row is completed now. 8 row wrong side. Again pull these all stitches till the end of row. Pull edge from wrong side. 8 row is completed and our pattern is also completed. Now we again start this pattern from first row. Knit these all stitches and this pattern looks like this from right side and looks like this from back side. In this way we repeat this 1 to 8 rows and after repetition of 8 rows this pattern looks like this. You can apply this pattern in any kind of a project like ladies cardigan, ladies jacket, girls top, baby sweater. So fan, if you like my videos and don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. So take care and bye bye fan.